Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Honor Band 6 smartwatch. On the front of the box, we can see an image of the watch itself. On top, we have the Honor Band 6 branding. Underneath that, we have three of the salient features. The salient features include a 1.47-inch AMOLED display, a long battery life, and health management. On the right hand side of the package, we have a QR code that leads you to the app that you can use with this smartwatch. On the left hand side of the package, we have some manufacturing and importing information. We also have the exact model number, which is ARG-B39. We also have the contents of the box, which include one watch, one charging cable, one charging cradle, one warranty card, and one OSG and safety information manual. On the bottom of the sticker, we have the details for the customer care. Most of the stuff has been repeated on the bottom of the box as well, but over here we can see the symbol that shows that it is BIS certified. There's nothing on the top. And on the back is where most of the key features and technical specifications of the watch are. We have already seen the 1.47-inch AMOLED display. We can use the heart monitoring function that can work 24/7. It has an automatic workout detection function. It can charge fast using fast charging. It also has a stress test function. It has 10 workout modes, a long battery life, sleep tracking, and 5 atmosphere water resistance. Underneath that, we have some symbols that show the recycling and disposal information, and we also have the Bluetooth symbol showing that the watch can connect via Bluetooth. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. We have this warranty card, which can help you register for the worldwide warranty. But we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next up, we have the quick start guide, which is also in multiple languages. This should help you understand the functions of the watch and help you get started with using it. Next, we have this charging cable with a USB Type A interface on one end and the charging cradle on the other. This one uses 2 charging pins. The length of the cable is approximately 2 feet long. Coming to the smartwatch now, we can see that it has a protective plastic layer on top, which we will remove now. We can see the multifunction button on the right, and this can help you navigate through the various functions of the watch, apart from the touch screen, which can also help you navigate. On the other side, we have some Honor branding, and the Honor branding is on the watch strap as well. As you can see, we have the Meteorite Black variant, and that shows as everything on the watch is black, including the strap, the underside of the watch, and obviously the top, which has the screen, which is not on right now. On the underside, we can see the heart rate monitor right in the middle. We can see the Honor branding, and right alongside the Honor branding are the corresponding pins that you can charge the watch with. So let's turn on the watch. As we can see, it's a decently bright screen and clearly visible even in our very bright studio lights. So this was the unboxing of the Honor Band 6. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.